Hi, I'm Ritik, a fellow at Alpha AI, and this week I am with a growth plan for US SuperStore where they can focus on a single subcategory across each of the region to get 25% more sales. So here, for that I am checking the total sale in all the subcategories in all the 4 years. Here I am checking the subcategory wise sales and profit and the quantity of the product sold in all the 4 regions in 2019. So in the central region, if we see, there was maximum sales in chairs and phones, but in the phones there was maximum profit. So we are taking phone from for central region, and in the eastern region there is chair with the highest sales, so we are selecting chair from this region. Similarly, in the south we have phones with the highest sale, we are selecting phone here, and in the west we have copiers with the highest sales and profit. Also, in the central region, the chairs and phones, people are more likely to buy phones. That's why we are taking phones in the central region. So for this, I'm using the goal seek analysis to get the amount of sale that the company has to do to achieve the target. And after doing the goal seek analysis, I'm checking the overall sales in all the past 4 years and the predicted amount of sales in 2020. So if we see in the central region, the amount of sale in 2018 and the amount of sale in 2019, the amount of sale in 2019 is not that much higher than 2018. So this target is pretty difficult to achieve in 2020. But if we see in the eastern region, the chairs has the sales in 2019, it was so much higher than the 2018. So in 2020 it can achieve the preferred target. So in 2020 it can achieve the given target. Similarly, in the south, the sale in 2019 was pretty good if we compare it to 2018. So in 2020 it can be achieved. Similarly, in the copiers has the exponential growth, so it can be achieved in 2020. But we have a doubt in the central region. For that, I'm checking the average discount on all subcategories. So in the central region, the discount was on binders. The discount was an average of 52%, which is so much higher. For that, I checked the sales and profit. For this, I checked the graph of sales versus discount, and I saw that in the central region, in the binders subcategory, people are more likely to buy the binders with 0% discount. This is what we are getting with the data. So with the 80% discount, people are not contributing more in the sales, but in 0% discount, people are buying. So in the central region, the number of binders sold in 2019 was 685 with 52% average discount. The average price of per item was 32. The actual price of per item was $74. So what I am proposing is the company has to buy only 900 binders in 2020 with an average discount of 10%, and the average price per item would be 80.65 dollars, and the sales will be $182,000 in the central region. This is all. Thank you.